got 2 kayaks loaded up, about 6 fishing rods, a couple of paddles, a couple of life vests, and a crate full of tackle. I'm heading to pick up my son, and he and I are going to head about an hour and change west of where we live, to a lake that's supposedly got lots of white crappie and largemouth bass. According to all the reports and biological surveys, it has an abundance of both. And we've fished from the shore at that lake. Lake Tom-a-Lex is the name. It's actually the drinking water reservoir for Thomasville and Lexington, North Carolina.
It's too much of a push. A little too ambitious there.
Too ambitious. I sure am glad we found the sunscreen.
I am too.
Yeah, you were like, it'll be fine. I was like, it's probably not going to be that fine. It's very sunny.
How are we going to go to that shade? Right in front of you.
Under the bridge too is probably a good spot.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna paddle like, 20, 24 feet off the launch. Yeah, the shade does look like a good spot. And then, like the coast, the tree line over there, all the way up to that point. We'll just like work all that. Drifting into me.
It's a real Titanic scene.
No, there were a couple of splashes right there. Oh, I got something. Yes, sir. Oh, it came off. The video will show a significant rod bend. Oh, I got another one.
What is that?
That's crappie. White crappie, not a huge one. Woo, white crappie.
What's the keeper size for crappie?
So some lakes have a limit, some lakes don't. I know it is just the fisherman trope, but the one that came off was twice his size probably. It's maybe like 7-8 inches. I don't want to keep this one. I only want to keep, do what?
I don't want to keep it either.
I only want to keep like big fillet sized crappie. But they're under there. You gotta be patient and let this little lure drift down low enough. Oh, thought I had another one. Oh, got one.
Nice. Oh.
All right. Another white crappie. Playing with that bridge, unfortunately. Hopefully I didn't scar up. Oh man, you took it. This guy's all messed up.
All messed up? Alright, put them in the bag.
This one is a little fatter than the last one. Little treble hooks. Hook fish.
Nice.
White crappie. Keep them, not keep them.
Keep them.
All right, I am switching it up just a little bit. I got this, I think it's a 2.8. It has Kayak swing impact.
Talking to himself? What a weirdo.
And yeah, oh, look at that action. Oh yeah. Little red, little do. I would eat it. Tiny little bluegill in the water around these grasses. It's been kind of a rough time. A couple of tangled lures. We've been out here like another hour and a half maybe. Nothing other than those first 2 crappie. There we go. That's not something too big, but it's something. Feels like a bluegill. Yeah, it's a little bluegill. Right on. Something's better than nothing. Hooray, little bluegill. Yeah, nice little bluegill. Bye-bye, bluegill. All right. So many boats in the water today. Fishing in the middle of the day is usually not great. But like when you get started, yeah, it's difficult to not fish in the middle of the day because, you know, we're diurnal creatures. And unless we get up early, stay up a little late, plan our days, you know. I guess you could fish water close to your house. That one that way. Gotta put this one into protection. Rod tip inserted thusly. Oh yeah, got one.
Oh my god, a bass. Ano, is it?
Crappie.
Oh, crappie. It's all there.
Woo! Crappie. Yeah, might as well. We caught that one, so you need. Oh yeah, this dude's choked it too. It's way down in his. Yeah, we're definitely keeping this one.
Oh man. It's a harder than mine. Yummy.
Well, that's definitely edible size. Yeah. See if I can just hang out right here. That's three crappie from under the bridge. The bridge is a popular spot, especially today. I mean, I guess it's popular. This isn't my home lake or anything, so I don't know. I see some fish flopping up here, and some bound wood and whatnot. So I'm just gonna work a shoreline for a bit since the cloud cover's come in, and then head back to the ramp and call it a day. We've been out here, geez, I don't know, 3 hours now. Oh, I got a little fish. Tiny guy. He fought strangely. Tiny little bluegills.